Okay, this is a request about working with objects on a report, for example. If I single click, if I want to work with properties, I have to think and remember which icon to go to, either this one or this one. So there's not so much going on here that what I would suggest is you merge this with this and make only one properties window and instead have tabs. So this is about the data and this is about formatting. So to inspire you in Microsoft Access, if you click on a object and then go to the one icon we have for properties, then we have tabs within the full properties box. Format has things about the formatting like the background color, the color, the font color, the font name, size, bold, alignment, and bordering. So yes, that's English, and maybe it would be easier if you also had icons next to it. I agree with that. And then you have a tab here for data, whether you're creating SQL, for example, to populate a drop-down box, or if it's a text box, if there's no field, then the user's just entering it in. Or if you put a actual database field, then it's pulling it from the database. So back to Argos. I feel that this could be made, the data could be made a data tab. All this formatting could show on a format tab, and the options could form on an options tab. And therefore, the user would know to only go to one icon. Also, I feel that this font and color box are a little misleading because I don't know what color means. If you click on font, font has a color. Now, this to me is very hard to find. I would expect on this screen a button, just like this button, this color button, to be consistent. And I would change the wording of font to font attributes or foreground, and this color I would change to background attributes or background, foreground, background, and then behind the scenes in each button you'd come to another wizard box, dialog box like this, and you would have a color button. So it would be easier to find, and and I wanted the cell to be able to put a background, a border, and I did not find it here. So instead, I drew lines manually, and then only yesterday I noticed the cell here. So I feel that all this information should also appear in this formatting area. And you might even consider, instead of doing these checkboxes, which is fine, you might even also consider, as they do in Excel, I'm opening up Excel. Let's say I click in a cell and I want to border it. They have an icon that represents the different sides of the box to border. So, that's just something to think about. Thank you so much.